back in action. We're back in the action, boys.
Yeah.
Boys, not gonna lie, you know what we got going on right now?
We got some people outside, man. We've got first real barbecue. These restrictions been up.
We got friends over right now, boys. Since restriction, we're allowed 10 people. We got a bunch of people outside right now.
We got some honeys outside, that's what we got.
The ratio's pretty good. Boys, anyway, we're a little inebriated right now, but we gotta get a video out to you guys. It's not our fault. We were supposed to film before people came over. They came over
early.
Yeah, they came over a little early, so it's gonna be kind of a one-taker, I think. How you doing?
Oh, I'm great, man.
Dude's got his freaking disguise on. Cameraman Ian can't get recognized, boys. You get too many women's flock on him, so he's got to put the glasses on. Oh, actually, first off, do you want to tell them to thumbs up and comment down below, because they listen to you when you do it?
Okay. Thumbs up and comment down below, people. What are you doing? Come on.
Please.
You know the drill.
You also got that stuff too.
Yeah, I do.
Boys, one take. This is gonna be fun. I'm actually not even mad about it. So today, first off, sponsorship. NameBranFan.com. Boys, we got freaking, what are they called? Mystery box is down below. Boys, what you need to do is go check out the link down below and you can see what's in your mystery box. They're $24.99 only. And you're guaranteed to get more money's worth than you spent on the mystery box. So you could get a mystery box that's $24.99. Could cost like $50 for us to make. You feel me? One person that buys one is also gonna get an Xbox Series X, a new one, or PS5 in their mystery box. Like one person will get one of those. So that's super sick. Cool. Boys, let's get on with the video. Super apologetic for this one. How are you doing? Yeah, I'm looking into the camera, bro. I can't give a straight face.
What?
I'm sorry, boys. I don't have time to edit because I have to host this thing. I'm supposed to start barbecuing with, I thought, Ian, but Ian might be a little done. Literally,
I'm not done. I'm just getting started, man. What are you talking
Ian's
about?
just getting started. Okay, so, no editing. God, I don't do one-take videos that well. Cool video that we are saying is, what is it, Ian? I told you already.
Oh, yes, it's
buying a ring.
The ring, yeah.
Don't say too much. Don't say too much. Boys, we bought a custom ring. Actually, you can say it.
Well, it's a custom ring.
Yeah, so boys, I found this company online that has custom rings. Now, like, this is really cool because I feel like every rapper right now, it's probably going to be in the thumbnail, is getting these custom championship rings. This one costs 50 bucks. The $50 championship ring, customized with my name on it. And it's got diamonds, but they're fake. And I thought we'd unbox it with Ian because Ian's, what are you?
What?
I just want to see how you answer to things right now.
What do you mean, what do you mean?
I forgot even what I was trying to say to you.
Yeah, where's this ring, man? Come on, let's do it.
Right, let's get into the ring, boys. One take or something like that. Although I know when I get in the editing room. Sorry, did I show my address there? No. Okay, cool. I've actually been waiting for this for a long time, boys. I think it was like 50 bucks. Custom ring. Everyone's been doing it. You see Polo G with his Hall of Fame ring. You see T Grizzly with his Grizzly ring. Like a Grizzly stripe. You'd like that. You're a hunter, bro. You guys think Ian's like, what are they, like, you guys think Ian's not down to like do some crazy stuff. Ian hunts, bro.
I do know some butt crazy stuff.
You do some butt crazy stuff?
I said nothing, but.
Oh, okay.
But. Look at that. No.
Anyway, boys, this ring on a budget from that company, don't care because guess what they didn't do?
What?
Sponsor us.
Oh, well, screw him then.
Yeah.
I mean, come on.
I love this. Boys, I'm only 2 beers down. This guy's actually like, what are you?
I haven't been counting.
Are you 10 beer right now or what?
Well, they were just like 3 or 4, but they're all mixed, so like.
He's making my job easy. I can't do any cuts with this if Ian's freaking
on man.
Right now. Okay, you guys ready? I'm stoked.
Open the bloody box.
Sorry.
This thing.
So this thing I've been waiting for a while. It's custom made, so it takes a little while. It's been maybe a month. You look at it first, bro.
Oh damn! That thing.
Oh
shit! So it's
dude,
big, man.
Look! Don't show them yet. Okay, well, first off, take it out for me, bro. I've been look at what they encased it in.
Yeah,
so,
it's like the
no,
that's not surround wrap.
That's not supposed to rip. That's a case to like. It's a oh god. Okay, no, that's
did I wreck it?
That's a case that's supposed to display it. That's what I was stoked about. So like they've been showing these online a lot of a case where you put, you say a lighter in it. And then it kind of just like floats, in the case.
Okay. Well, I mean, it does look like saran wrap. I mean,
that's factual. Not mad about that one at all. Anyway, boys, so the case, I've been seeing these online all the time. I actually thought about buying a bunch of them to like put things in. So what it does is just like that. Anyway, the ring's right here. I haven't looked at the tons yet. Unwrap it for me, bro.
Okay. So
first off, what's your thoughts?
I mean,
you tell me.
There's more saran wrap on it, so like. Oh no, it just fell off. Never mind.
No, that's probably the. Okay, so I forgot. I thought I got white gold, boys. Oh, dude,
no,
that was your head.
Right? No, that was my elbow actually, but like no, I'm fine.
All right, cool. We got the well, tipsy too, but like not Ian style, boys. We have the NameBran custom ring right here, so you can put any name on it. I'm really mad that's not showing up well because that should be for the thumbnail, but we got brand right there, boys. This is insane. How's that quality for the money I spent, bro?
Man, like, how much? You know, it's pretty good. Like, how much did you spend on this?
I think it was like, I honestly, I can't remember. I think it was like $50 American, maybe, some more Canadian.
Wait, 50? Like that's, dude, you screwed up, man. Like, I don't know how else to say it. Like, it's kind of a cool ring, but like
$50, bro.
Oh, $50? Oh, jeez, man.
Dude, he's done. Ian's done. You sure you want this on the internet?
I don't care.
Okay, cool. All right, boys. Anyway, this is the ring we got. I'm actually really stoked about this. We got the diamonds on it. We got the brand upside down. I don't know how that works. Oh, and it fits, bro. How's it look on you? Yo, it looks sick.
Yeah, I mean, like.
Does it look kind of sick?
Yeah, I
you put
so.
it on, bro. You just won the championship of the biggest. I don't know, something cool that you won. The fastest racer. I feel like you can race. You're off camera. Get back on camera.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, nice. Show it to the boys. Boys, this is the ring everyone's buying nowadays. Yeah, see the lighting?
The lighting in here sucks, man. It's just like, how does it even get this to show? Okay, damn.
I mean, if this is uncut, we're already at 8 minutes. What do we need to talk about more? We gotta get back out to our friends.
Oh man,
jeez, I thought you got it stuck on.
Me too, man.
I thought like I just pictured your finger get ripped off.
You got some small ass fingers.
Yeah, it's a size 7, 6 or something like that. Anyway, it's a very small ring size. It was a joke of mine. Anyway, boys, there's your ring. Over at, I don't know, it's a really cool piece. Honestly, you guys know I don't wear fake jewelry, but bro, you know, I'm going to be wearing this. It says NameBran on it. I'm sorry. I could afford the real thing if I wanted to, but guess what would happen? You already said it before.
Sarah would murder you.
Exactly. So, now we're at the point,
like,
boys.
Literally murder you, and like, your body's going to go right, like, be buried over there.
I don't know if we can say on camera, bro.
Well, I mean, it's not, she probably wouldn't. I don't think you'd literally.
You're off camera again.
Oh, damn it.
Yeah, there's a nice leaning chair there for him to lean on. Boys, this is sick. Super dope. No edits today. I think we can do this with no edits.
Yeah, screw editing, man.
Honestly, we over-edited everything, so I feel like a low-edited video might be kind of sick today. I'm actually going to put that at the beginning of the video so people know what to expect for. To expect what they're watching. No editing. Boys, that's going to be at the very beginning. Boys, appreciate it for watching. Let me know what you guys think. I know it's not the best lighting. I really need to give you guys... Dude, absolute gem. I feel like freaking LeBron James in the white right now, you know?
Except his ring actually would be 50G.
No, his ring was like $1 million or something.
God damn.
Yeah, I actually have a replica right here that I freaking destroyed. But yeah, of LeBron James' ring. That's what's funny that you. Well, I guess I brought it up. Appreciate you guys for watching.
So heavy.
That was.
Oh.
Hell on my toe a second.
Oh, sorry, man.
It's alright, bro. Appreciate y'all for watching. Murky the Game, the greatest of all time. Y'all the goats.
Oh, goats.
Blow. Something like that. Okay, bro.
Yeah,
let's get outside,
man.
Let's get outside, bro.
Yeah.